Namaskar friends, welcome back to my channel Living Economics. I have a quick analysis of the news today from the economics point of view, which is definitely the news of the economy. So there is no different interpretation. We need to understand what exactly the news is. I am reading the paper of December 1, which is The Hindu, and on page 12, there is a news which says consumer spending to rebound in 2021. That is according to the Fitch, which is one of the data collecting and analyzing company. The subheading says consumption is forecast to contract by 12.6% in 2020. So I read out loud the news for you. After a COVID-19 pandemic-led contraction in consumer spending in 2020, household spending will return to growth in 2021, expanding by as much as 6.6%, Fitch Solutions said on Monday. Consumer spending in India is forecast to have contracted by 12.6% in 2020. Now, you know, this is one of the major reasons our GDP is gone down. We are facing recession because of one of the components of GDP, that is consumption, has drastically come down. So you must be wondering, what are those components of GDP? GDP is equal to or constitute C plus I plus G plus X minus M. C is the consumption, I is investment by the private investors, G is government spending, X is exports, minus M means imports. So we understand what is our GDP, real GDP, when we take into account all the consumption, all the investments, all the government spendings, plus the exports minus imports of the country. And then we get our GDP. Any of these components increases or decreases may affect the GDP. You can see here in this COVID period, consumption definitely has come down by 12.6% as per this news, and the investment also has come down definitely. I do not have the figures, but we know that when the economy is not functioning to its optimum size, investment definitely has come down. Government spending is there, but this is one of the components which cannot increase the GDP to a positive number when your consumption, your personal consumption has come down so much. To tell you about the weightage of consumer spending in total GDP with all other components, consumer spending is the largest, the heaviest, the biggest component in GDP, and therefore fall of 12.6% in 2020 definitely has a greater hand in letting India go through the phase of recession officially. 2 consecutive quarters and we had a negative growth. We are recovering, but consumer spending should be increased so that we can recover faster compared to investment, government spending, exports and other components. Very quickly, let me read the rest of the news. While growth will return to positive in 2021, which is definitely because what they're forecasting is that your consumer spending will increase by 6.6% in 2021. We do note the recovery will be slower than the most countries because of a significant contraction over 2020. So we may expect some growth in 2021 because we may expect some increase in the consumer spending by 6.6%, which has drastically contracted by 12.6% in 2020. And therefore make sure that you don't only, again, like I always say, don't depend on the government to increase the GDP. Right now it is time to spend. Right now it is time to hire workers, hire your house helps and housemates, pay them the salaries, the full salaries, so that they can have some money in their hand. They can also increase the demand in the aggregate demand. So obviously GDP will definitely increase when one of these components or all of these components are increasing. Like you are able to increase your consumer spending, you are able to increase the investment by demanding more, so that producers are motivated to produce more because there's a greater demand. Government spending is already there, but government needs to spend more to revive back the economy. Exports will be there if there are better trade reforms, so that we can have a smoother exchange of goods and services across the boundaries. Imports needs to be decreased. We have to buy our own items, so that again we can increase the GDP, because import counts minus in our GDP. The lower the imports, the higher will be the GDP. And the higher these components are, consumer spending, investment, government spending and exports, the higher will be your GDP. That's it for now. Stay tuned for more updates. Till then, take care. Bye.